Yep, keep walking. Let's find some more. Hey, you found another one, didn't you? Awesome. Put it in the bag. Look in front of you. Look up there. Alright, look around. Any more in there? Well, let's go this way then. Yeah, get it.
Big one?
Yeah.
Here's one.
Awesome.
We're getting good at it.
We're getting good at it. Look, keep looking. You're going to find more. They're everywhere. We're in these sycamores. Look over that way.
Where?
Look right there. And there. Awesome. Awesome. There's one.
Yep.
Right out here, all on these sycamores. Tyler's over there going to town. Well, me and the mushroom princess picking morel mushrooms, having a blast.